Hello, Namaste. Welcome back to the Best Preparation, a YouTube channel for learning English language. To subscribe this channel, please visit YouTube, search the Best Preparation. When it opens, please click on subscribe button and notification bell. Thank you. Now, let's see today's lesson. Today, I've got a new friend. She's also English instructor. We will conduct this conversation now. Okay.
सम्पर्कमा रहनुहोस्.
Be in touch. Be in touch.
कृपया बस्नुहोस् न.
Have a seat, please. Have a seat, please.
तपाईलाई कस्तो छ?
How are you? How are you?
मलाई सन्चै छ, धन्यवाद.
I'm fine. Thank you. I'm fine. Thank you.
तपाईलाई भेट्दा खुसी लाग्यो.
Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you.
तपाईलाई के भयो?
What happened to you? What happened to you?
तपाईसँग भेट हुँदा खुसी लाग्यो.
Glad to see you. Glad to see you.
बिदा, आइतबार फेरि भेटौँला.
Bye. See you on Sunday. Bye. See you on Sunday.
कृपया मलाई डिस्टर्ब नगर.
Please don't disturb me. Please don't disturb me.
म आजकल फ्री छु.
I'm free these days. I'm free these days.
म तपाईलाई के भनेर बोलाऊं?
What shall I call you? What shall I call you?
तपाईले मलाई क्रिसा भनेर बोलाउन सक्नुहुन्छ.
You can call me Krisa. You can call me Krisa.
पछि भेटौँला.
See you later. See you later.
तपाईको दिन शुभ रहोस्.
Have a nice day. Have a nice day. Okay, that's the end of this short video. I hope you found it interesting and useful for you. Please don't forget to subscribe the video, share it to your friends, like and comment. Thanks for watching the video. Bye-bye.